Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. One reminder, cryptos are open 24/7 and they'll be over as the ball drops too for the new year. I bring that up just because if you're watching this video, tomorrow or, several hours from now, yeah, the chart itself is going to look different, but my goal here is to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. And really going forward, nothing new from the video that I did on Friday, but it's still all about this green line right here at basically 3,800, and as I talk right now, the price is currently right down at that level. And the big question, and is nothing complicated at all, but the question is, what is the price at relative to 3,800? Why is this level so important? Well, if you were answering the question, and let's say you're watching this, 36 hours from now, and you're answering the question that the price is down somewhere around 3,700, 3,720, give or take. At that point, that's putting the price back inside of this range where it was. And that range is important because that is literally right back to where it was before the nice movement started right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. So you want to see some sort of form of progress, and this green line here is representing progress, because if the price can continue to hold above the green line and then eventually start to work its way back upwards, when you look at where the lows are, meaning that would still give you a set of lows right here, and you'd have those lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, then you would have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. Truly bullish moves make progress. And this quote-unquote progress point, again, is at 3,800, which is why, like I said, just keeping things very simple but highly effective and, kind of keeping things up to date as far as what the chart currently stands at. Whenever you're watching this, whether that's, like I said, 5 minutes from this when this video is posted or 15 hours, where's the price at relative to 3,800, and that'll tell you whether or not the price still has a possibility of making progress, or as the price has quote-unquote gone back to where it was. So again, all in all, 3,800 is essentially acting as a vocabulary definer, meaning it's telling us, is the price making progress quote-unquote associated with bullishness, or is the price going back quote-unquote that associated with bearishness. So keep your eye on 38, and that'll be a very revealing level over the next couple of days. And again, if the price were to break down below 3,800 and then you're checking it and it's also down below this green line at 3,600, at that point, things are looking very, very shaky for the chart. So again, but it all starts with that first question at 3,800, and then you can kind of double check just in case if the price is below 3,800, ask yourself, where's the price at relative to the 3,600? And that'll keep things, like I said, relevant for as long as possible. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.